So now we're gonna go ahead and test our water intake valve. We're gonna check the hot water valve solenoid and the cold water valve solenoid, and we're gonna do this from the J9 connector on the control board. We're gonna be checking pins 1 and 4, which is white and red, 5 and 4, which is blue and red. Let's go ahead and check 1 and 4 first, which is the hot water valve, and we should get somewhere between 900 and 1.5 K ohms. And there you got it, 1.5 K ohms. Let's go ahead and check the cold water valve between red and blue, pins 5 and 4, and we should get the same reading. But now we're reading 2.9 ohms, so we know that this cold water valve is actually bad and needs to be replaced, so we'll have to replace the whole entire water valve assembly. So now we're going to go ahead and check the water valve assembly at the solenoids themselves. We'll go ahead and remove this harness to check the hot water valve and the cold water valve, and we should get the same readings, somewhere between 900 and 1.5 K ohms. There we have it, 1.47. Now remember, on the cold water valve, we tested that and we had 2.5 K ohms, so it's always a good idea to check at the component itself. So the cold water valve, 1.47. So we had a bad reading from our control board, which can happen. One of the things we want to do if we do have a bad reading is check the harness itself, wire to wire, and do a continuity check to make sure that harness itself is good. So let's go ahead and check that harness, and we'll do a continuity check, and we'll just go from blue to blue. Let's change our meter over to continuity. All right, we know our blue wire is good. Let's go ahead and check our white wire, which is our neutral wire. We know our neutral wire is good, and then we'll go ahead and check our red wire. We know that's good, and let's go ahead and again check our white wire, which should be good as well. There we go. So we know our harness is good, and it could have just been a bad reading, but that's why we always double check our work.